Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems had recently offered to jointly develop 6 next-generation submarines under government-to-government deal under the Project 75I, and as per latest information, the Indian side has asked the German side to provide more detailed information on the offer, such as the level of transfer of technology that ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems is willing to give to India, clear breakdown of the level of offered subsystems, and if Indian-developed systems and sensors will be allowed for integration, and the level of access to the combat control system of the submarine, that will allow easier addition of Indian weapons without requiring inputs from the original equipment manufacturer. Hindustan Aeronautics is developing 2 HALE-class UAVs that will play a crucial part in the CADET program, which is an Indian unmanned and manned combat aircraft air teaming system program. The first HALE-class UAV is classified as HALE-TF, that will be powered by turboprop engine, while the second HALE-class UAV is classified as HALE-TF, that will be powered by a turbofan engine, that will perform high-altitude surveillance and autonomous deep penetration precision strikes from a standoff distance. The Indian Navy will officially announce the winner of the 26 tech-based fighter jet program by end of this month, for which it had tested F-18 Super Hornet and Rafale Marine. Indian Navy is likely to back the purchase of 26 Rafale Marine, which fully meets its requirements, and also has 70% commonality with the 36 Rafale F-3R that is operated by the Indian Air Force. As part of the offset commitment under the 36 Rafale India contract, Bharat Electronics has signed a frame supply agreement with Thales Reliance Defence Systems for the manufacture and supply of transmit-receive modules, radar line replaceable units and micro-modules that are used in Rafale aircraft. Bharat Electronics has also received an order to manufacture and supply micro-modules. Thales Reliance Defence Systems will also integrate and maintain radar and electronic warfare sensors of Rafale aircraft. The Ministry of Defence has received a proposal from the Indian Army to buy 307 ATAGS gun, and the proposal worth over $1 billion has been sent for clearance by the Cabinet Committee on Security led by Prime Minister Modi. This would be the first order for the indigenous howitzer, which can strike targets at 48 kilometers. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved the procurement of 70 HTT-40 basic trainer aircraft along associated equipment and simulators for the Indian Air Force worth 6,828 crore rupees, and Hindustan Aeronautics will complete the delivery of 70 aircraft over a period of 6 years. The Cabinet Committee on Security has also approved the procurement of 3 cadet training ships from Larsen & Toubro at an overall cost of 3,108 crore rupees, and the delivery is scheduled to start from 2026. The decks have finally been cleared for the induction of the Indian Air Force's mountain radar in Ladakh, as the National Board of Wildlife has given the go-ahead that will enable to keep an eye on the line of actual control. A high-altitude air-to-ground firing range will also be established in Ladakh that will ensure battle readiness in hostile high reaches of the India-China border. The Indigenous Infrared Research and Track System that is under development for the Su-30 and Tejas Mark II fighter jets has entered the laboratory testing phase, and it will be ready for integration into Su-30 aircraft within 18 months after completion of the laboratory testing phase. The Indigenous IRST system will replace the Russian-origin OLS-30 system on the entire Su-30 fleet from 2026 onwards, when it enters full-scale production.